my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to get notification when updates are available from Facebook. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Press on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get media. Press on app updates. Then click on Face Update Available. Get notification when updates are available from Facebook. Press on this icon. Now you active Facebook update. Now we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to get notification when updates are available from Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.